This is the other side where Selby relaxes even more and lets the racket do the talking.
That was a great retrieval from Anima, but the straighten from Golan was even better. And it's still going. It made it.
Well, he's hitting it back to him.
I'm sure how that ball got to the front wall, and that one.
Oh, he's wonderful. He's had an absolute Lionel there for Golan. Complete and utter Lionel. Anjumid giving the ball up, and Golan ended up hitting it straight back to him and royally stitching himself.
6-all.
And thanks for coming.
That was clever improvisation from Nick on the backhand, just using his wrist to straighten it. That's a bit lucky from Nick Matthew, I have to say. He's having a little wry smile there. He knows, because he actually hit that straight, but it was with the end of the racket. You can see though, he didn't get the strings. It just went straight out of reach for Charlton. I mean, look at that. There was no fear there whatsoever.
Game ball.
They enjoyed that in the Canary Wharf crowd, and now it's 2 game points. Oh, look at that. So we're just seeing yet another brilliant forehand shot from Mazin Hesham.
And out, 9-all. And out.
Starting to see a little bit of the talent of this young man in the picture.
Sadly for Lucas it was a bit of a silly shot. That cross-court drop wasn't going to do anything to Rosner. He's already up the court, tidying it. Bad shot selection.
1-2.
Bit scrappy there. Not letting this go, and that's
going to get a stroke.
Willstrop.
So Willstrop will bagel.
Willstrop. Game 2.
Omar Abdul Magui, 13-3 in the world. Did help the cause of Willstrop, but all credit to the tall Englishman.
Down.
Oh, he's made the unforced error. That's dreadful from James Willstrop. How dare he do that? And the crowd enjoying.
Awful.
There's the sense of humour from Magui, a big smile.
1 love.
He's got a great sense of humour off court.
Out. 8 love.
Great finish. Really good anticipation. There's a fist pump.
Right box, please.
Read that all the way.
What a shot. Well, slam dunk. It was there to play, and Selby's done it there.
Going to want to let here. Well, no.
Match to Selby. 3 games to 2. 11-8, 10-12, 11-7, 3-11, 14-12.
Well, Dasuki with game ball. Immediately closed down by Matthew. The width not good enough for his forehand. Put that away all day long.
And out.
There's a couple of hip
10-all.
adjustments.
Player must win by 2 points. Decision, Barker. No let. Continue, gentlemen. Continue. Continue.
Well, he's getting a bit nasty.
And
Doesn't
just
need to be
stop
saying
1
that.
minute.
Doesn't need to be
Stop.
saying
There's too
that,
much
Rosner.
going on court, which is detracting from fair squash.
I don't know why he's saying that to Rosner. Rosner's doing nothing wrong out there.
Well, I'm not
Let's have fair
exactly sure
play.
what he was
Come on.
saying, but it was,
Well, it was
quite
pretty.
aggressive.
Well, it was
yeah.
aggressive. You could see by the
8 all.
mannerisms, very aggressive. No need for that at all.
Clever little boast again.
well
Which won the
straightened.
point earlier from Barker, but he's
Got to go through.
Decision.
Can't get through to
Rosner.
play it. He's on the way up there to play
Stroke
it.
to Rosner.
Well, the stroke's been given.
Match
Peter
to
Barker,
Rosner.
quick
3
handshake.
games to
Crowd a
1.
little bit shocked by the stroke scenario there.
3-11.
But at times, some
12-10.
terrific squash. And what a result for
11-5.
Simon Rosner.
12-10.
An unbelievable battle. There goes the short one, but still working it around the court. Doesn't want to quite finish this rally yet. And there, slightly fortunate bounce. Seen that all week on the joins of the side wall. What a time for that to come for Daryl Selby. He's leaving everything on the court, as you'd expect, Parky, but Matthew moves to 9-all, and Daryl Selby looks very, very pale. So the fourth official confirming the original decision.
Edge to Matthew, 3 games to love.
So another impressive performance by Nick Matthew. Well, I mean, that is quite astonishing to see this again. I mean, Rosner's not happy with the
6-4.
width, and rightly so, but Matthew was so elongated.
yeah, be disappointed with himself there, Nick Matthew. He caused a bit of pressure again with the shot down the middle, and a bit of
5-9.
improvisation from Rosner.
Down.
And there it is, Matthew wins another title,
Match to Matthew.
his
3
fifth
games to
title
love.
at Canary
11-4.
Wharf.
11-9. 11-7.
Very, very impressive once again here in London.
Now's the time, ladies and gentlemen, to welcome our 2015 champion. This is 5 Canary Wharf titles. Let's welcome back on court, Nick Matthew.